Good morning, you guys. Early morning. How are you guys doing? I got back recently. Gonna see my son when he wakes up. I went home and I was hoping he was in our room, but he's not. He's upstairs with my sister probably. Yeah. Me and my boyfriend made these. He made this one. Cigarettes. So, but I brought the stuff to roll too, just in case I run out of cigarettes. So, but been home for a little bit. Been back for a little bit, and so I officially moved out. Yes, on Friday. So, but I was staying here till Thursday so I can spend time with my son. So, but I had a fun time though. Yesterday we went to his parents' house. That was nice because I got to talk to his mom and everybody. And his mom had a friend came out from California, so I got to meet her and talk to her. And we talked about our pregnancies and, well, mostly we talked about childbirth and birth control and stuff like that. So, but we were all telling each other how long our childbirths were. So, my son only took 9 hours to be born, so, including 2 hours of pushing, so. 7 hours of childbirth and then 2 hours of pushing for me, so. But just the back is pretty good. But so. Oh. It's cold. There we go. So I'm on my period right now, which sucks because I started yesterday. I'm like, fuck. It sucked. So. But yeah. Hopefully I'll be off it by Thursday. I itches. Oh. I just took some Sudafed. I'm having allergies and sinuses and all that. With some Dr. Pepper. Love me some Dr. Pepper. So, but I can't go live till Thursday and this weekend, so. But gotta get me some pads. Oh. Yeah. an appointment today to get my Vegas shot. That's gonna be fun. My dad's gonna take me in. Tell my daddy he needs to take me to get my son to school and everything. So got to sleep. I'm gonna go. Thumbs up, subscribe. Love you guys. All right, bye.